Today, I get to know about an AI website. With the help of this website, you can change your voice into the voices of different celebrity singers around the world. Here is a vocal recording in my voice.
I am waiting for you. तुझे बुलाना मुमकिन नहीं. दे दे.
Now let's see, how does it sound in Ed Sheeran's voice?
I am waiting for you. तुझे बुलाना मुमकिन नहीं.
And here is Drake's voice.
I am waiting for you. तुझे बुलाना मुमकिन नहीं.
You just need to drag and drop your recorded vocal here. It will upload and do some processing. Now, if I select here to convert this vocal into Ariana's voice, it is converting. Now, let's have a look at this.
I am waiting for you. तुझे बुलाना मुमकिन नहीं.
I will put all the links in the description if you want to visit this website. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.